Hello from Slovenia again. I just scraped my excess paint, my drips from my previous pour, my monochromatic pour with Payne's Grey and Whitehaven, and I put it here. Oops, so dark. Put it here in this cup, and it turned out like a dark blue metallic kind of colors, and I have left quite a lot of piggies mixed with silicone oil, so I will do an open cup today. This is just a cup that I cut off, so I will just pour these piggies in here. I have such a Echeveria. Oh, I will put links, names in the description box. I have Toffee, and I have Lakeside, and I have Lagoon. And this is Whitehaven. I will try to do something in the middle, I believe. This white, so I will do some skewer swipes. This. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Now I will torch. covering the sides before I go further. Torch. I just put my gloves off. This middle part is just not something that I like. I will grab a scoop. And try to do some scoop dips here through this part because I don't like it. So I will start right here. This and this one bothers me now. I'm kind of okay with this one because it is still okay. And this part there. I will finger paint a little bit. Better now. I like it now. Postman was here and Flora and Nera just making noise. It's like an underwater flowers or something. Kind of interesting. So maybe just don't like this, but I'm afraid to tilt that now. Let's see. No, I can't. So I will leave it to dry and take you down for a close-up. So here is the dry result. There is no sun today, but hopefully I will be able to show you the shimmer of the piggies anyway. This white heaven is just amazing. And the Chiveria and Tuffy, I love Tuffy. And since I struggled a lot with this open cup, I still think that the final result is quite nice. I like it. I like that I use the scoop for this kind of a flower. So I will say that I saved it. Tell me what you think about. Did I manage to save it or not? See the shimmer. Wow. And see you on the next one. Bye.